amid a row over offering of Friday prayers in public spaces, a Gurugram-based Gurudwara has offered space to Muslims to perform Friday prayers in their premises. The Gurudwara committee president said that the religious site belongs to all communities and issues such as these should not be politicized. Now, this development comes at a time when there have been protests over namaz in open spaces by right-wing groups and locals as well.
सर देखिए जी, ये गुरुद्वारा गुरुघर जिसको हम कहते हैं, ये हर एक समुदाय के लिए खुला है। देखो यहाँ पे हिंदू तत्व भी आता है, मुसलमान भी आता है, क्रिश्चियन भी आते हैं, हमारे लंगर चलता है, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होती। हम हमारे जैसे गुरुद्वारे में बेसमेंट खाली रहता है आमतौर पे, तो मुसलमान भाई अगर जुम्मे की नमाज अदा करना चाहे तो बेसमेंट में कर सकते हैं, इसमें कोई हर्ज नहीं। हम पूरा कोरोना का जो है प्रोटोकॉल वो फॉलो करेंगे, सोशल डिस्टेंस बना के रखेंगे जी।
Kangana is joining us for more details here. Kangana, this is quite heartening to see, in fact, the Gurudwara offering space for namaz to be done.
Well, of course, there were earlier 150 places where Muslims could offer namaz in Gurugram city, and then it was cut down to 37 places. Out of those 37 places also, for the last 3 months, we've seen how the right-wing groups and the local residents and RWA members have objected the community from offering namaz into open places. And these Friday prayers have been getting sacrificed for the last 3 or 4 weeks. And now, after that, once a businessman also offered a place to the Muslim community to let them offer namaz on Fridays. Apart from that, the Gurdwara, local Gurdwara in Sadr Bazaar area of Gurugram has now offered them the place so that they can offer their Friday prayers and that. Now, the president of the Gurdwara has also said that we welcome everyone here, and we have been seeing that how the Muslim community is facing problems in praying at designated sites. And these are the sites that have been designated to them by the district administration. But still, there were right-wing groups and local RWA residents who had a problem with Muslim communities offering namaz in open places, which is why showing your humanity and showing the kind of showing the kind of love that they have for every religion. Now the Sikh community has come forward, and the Gurdwara management community, which oversees at least 5 Gurdwaras in Gurgaon, they have offered one of their Gurdwaras as a site for the Muslim communities to offer them Friday prayers. But when we also spoke to the president of the Muslim community, he has also said that we don't mind going to this place. We absolutely welcome this move. So tomorrow, which is going to be Friday prayers around 1 and 1:30 in the afternoon, we will go in small groups of 50 or 60 people, and we will be conducting our Friday prayers, maintaining social distancing. Even if we have to do it in groups of 2 or 3, we will be doing it in a group of 2 or 3, but we will we will go there to this Gurdwara in Sadr Bazaar area of Gurugram, and we will offer our Friday prayers. And they have, of course, welcomed this move that has been proposed by the Gurdwara committee also.
All right, Kangana, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.